In June, we saw a lot of smartphones getting launched in India. But do you want to know which all smartphones are coming in the month of July? If yes, then keep watching the video till the end. But guys, if you are new to our channel and you love watching our content, then don't forget to press the subscribe button and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of our latest content. Starting up with ASUS, this smartphone brand will reportedly be launching two smartphones in the month of July, ASUS 8Z and 8Z Flip. If we go by the leaks, they suggest that these two smartphones will be the rebranded version of ASUS Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 8 Flip. Talking about its feature, these two smartphones are likely to feature 5.9 inches of AMOLED display and Snapdragon 888 processor. And guys, reports further suggest that these two smartphones will be launched by the end of July. Talking about Oppo, this brand will be reportedly launching two smartphones in India in the month of July, Oppo Reno 6 and Reno 6 Pro. If we go by the leaks, they suggest that these two smartphones will be having lots of common features and also they might get launched at the price of 30 to 40,000 in India. So guys, in short, if you like Oppo phones and you're looking for a stylish phone with amazing display and a very good camera, then you must wait for Oppo Reno 6 series. Now coming on to Motorola, when we talk about the much awaited Moto G100, this phone has become a complete mystery. From past 2-3 months we have been hearing a lot about this phone, but right now the phone still hasn't been launched yet. Ideally this phone was supposed to be launched in the month of June, but right now the leaks are suggesting that most likely this phone will be getting launched in the first week of July. So let's hope that we get to see the launch of Moto G100 as soon as possible in India. Now moving on, Samsung will be launching a lot of new smartphones in the month of July, including Samsung Galaxy A22 and Samsung Galaxy F42. If we go by the recent leaks, they suggest that Samsung Galaxy A22 will be getting launched with the 4G support and Galaxy F42 will be coming up with 5G and it will be the rebranded version of Galaxy A22. Apart from this, Samsung will reportedly be launching Samsung Galaxy F52 and the 5G variant of the Galaxy A52 in July itself. So it seems like July is going to be a very interesting month for the Samsung fans, I guess. Post launching the OnePlus Nord CE 5G and the OnePlus Nord N200 recently, OnePlus is now gearing up very hard to launch another mid-range smartphone, OnePlus Nord 2, in the month of July. In fact guys, many of the important specifications of the phone have already been leaked and leaks further suggest that this phone is likely to be launched in the mid of July. So guys, if you were waiting for another mid-ranger from OnePlus, then I guess July is going to be the month for you. And as we all know that Realme is very active when it comes to smartphone launches. By going that fact, Realme is likely to launch two smartphones primarily in the month of July, Realme GT Camera Flagship and Realme C21Y. For those who don't know much about Realme C21Y, let me tell them that this phone will be an Android 11 Go edition and this will be coming up as an entry-level smartphone of Realme. Apart from this, Realme GT Camera Flagship is likely to be launched in the month of July itself in India as well. And not just this guys, two important phones from the Realme X9 series, Realme X9 and X9 Pro are likely to be launched in the month of July itself. That is what leaks are suggesting because many of the important specs and the first look of these phones have already been leaked recently. So Realme fans, gear up yourself because Realme is coming up with lots of smartphones in the month of July. And coming on to other brands, we have seen a lot of flagship and mid-range smartphone launches from the brands like Xiaomi and Redmi this year. But till now, we are waiting for some budget smartphones. So I guess it's time for that now. The recent leak suggests that Redmi is likely to launch the Redmi 10 series, which will be an entry-level series in the month of July. And this lineup is likely to include phones like Redmi 10, Redmi 10 Prime and Redmi 10 Power. And in fact guys, one of the recent reports shows that one of the phones from this lineup, Redmi 10 Power, has already been listed on BIS certification, which obviously shows that these phones are coming very soon in India. And now, last but not the least, talking about Poco, this brand is likely to launch the much awaited Poco F3 GT and the Poco X3 GT in the quarter third of 2021. Though the things are little uncertain for the Poco X3 GT, but a confirmation has come for Poco F3 GT that the phone will shortly be launching in quarter third. In fact, guys, some of the leaks are very strongly suggesting that this phone Poco F3 GT is likely to be launched in the end of July. And not just this, guys, we have also heard that you might get to see the launch of Poco F3 GT and Poco X3 GT at the same event. But yes, take this news with a pinch of salt. So Poco fans, gear up yourself because Poco F3 GT and Poco X3 GT are coming up very soon. So guys, these were some of the interesting smartphones which are likely to be launched in the month of July. Also guys, which would be the phone among all of these phones that you would be waiting for? Let us know in the comments. Also, if you liked today's video, then don't forget to like and share. I'll be meeting you in the next one. Till then, you keep watching Mr. Phone and stay safe.